Welcome morning everybody, welcome to another Prep and Adventures video. It's the middle of February 2022. It's about 10:30 in the morning. We're at Stert marshes. We're actually just on the outskirts of that. I'm going to try and go to Stert Point. So it's a bit of a coastal walk. It's cold, it's windy. This is a nature reserve and bird reserve, so we might see some birds and that about. There's also some bird hides. We might see if we can have a look at some of those. And let's go. So Stert Point, 3/4 of a mile, not very far. As we just come from the car park. That over there is Hinkley Point nuclear power station. And we're also building a new one. The hills in the distance are the Quantocks. Plenty of films on this channel about those. That's the Bristol Channel, looking across to Wales. There is Step Home, and we're going that way. That in the distance over there is Burnham-on-Sea. There's a bird hide in the distance. Hopefully we get a look inside there. The path ends on this way. Well, we're getting closer to the big hide. There it is there. And off to the left, if I can zoom in, there's another one just over there. I'm going to try and get to that one as well. That's the plan. There's the bird hide. So we go through this gate. Just gone up to this main hide, bird hide. We think we're going to get it to ourselves. So we'll go and have a look. Yes, we got it to ourselves. That's the view out from that side. That's where we just come from over there. And that's the view out towards Burnham-on-Sea. Bit dark down there, that's the stairs that we come up. Got some snacks in here. Let's have a look around. I open this window. That's the other hide over there. I don't know if we're going to be able to get to that. Quite surprised we got this to ourselves today, so quite lucky. Right, let's have some snacks. Well, I'm just going to leave now. And it's just in time there's some people coming. So that's the main bird hide here. So let's get a move on. I've just left the bird hide. Back over this way now. The other bit we wanted to go to is off limits due to breeding birds apparently. So we're now going to head up this way. 12 o'clock. The wind's getting right up, as you can hear. Hear it in the hide as well. New bit of kit we bought out at the moment for testing is this one. Details of that will be on the Private Adventures Facebook site. We've got one of these just to try them out. Obviously you've got to hold it into the wind to get the speed. I think we got up to 15 mile an hour just now. There's the bird hide. With nests up there. this way back. Oh, basically going back to the car park now. There's the car. So thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.